Welcome to our full review of the 2026 BMW 3 Series, a car that has always set the benchmark for luxury sports sedans, and this latest model pushes that standard even further. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 3 Series exudes a sense of refined elegance combined with dynamic athleticism. The exterior has been subtly but smartly updated, featuring sharper lines, a slightly more prominent kidney grille, and sleek LED headlights that give it a modern yet aggressive stance. The aerodynamics have also been optimized, not just for aesthetics, but to enhance performance and fuel efficiency, making it as practical as it is stunning. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that perfectly balances sophistication and technology. Premium materials cover every surface, from the soft-touch dashboard to the leather seats, which are now available with advanced ventilation and massage functions. The driver-focused layout makes every control intuitive, and BMW's latest iDrive 9 system is front and center on a large curved touchscreen that seamlessly integrates navigation, infotainment, and vehicle settings. There's also a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to show exactly what you need, whether that's performance data or navigation cues. Under the hood, the 2026 3 Series offers a range of powertrains designed to suit different driving preferences. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, delivering brisk acceleration and impressive fuel economy, while the higher trims offer a 3.0-liter inline-6 with mild hybrid technology for smoother power delivery and more spirited performance. Handling remains a standout feature, with BMW's finely tuned suspension and optional adaptive dampers providing a perfect balance of comfort and agility. The rear-wheel drive setup gives you that classic BMW driving feel, but there's also an intelligent all-wheel drive option for enhanced instability in all conditions. One of the most impressive aspects of this new 3 Series is the technology and safety features. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking, making long drives safer and less stressful. Connectivity options are extensive, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and multiple USB-C ports, keeping everyone in the cabin entertained and connected. The sound system has been upgraded as well, offering a rich, immersive audio experience that rivals high-end home setups. Even practicality hasn't been overlooked. The trunk space has grown slightly, offering more room for luggage, groceries, or sports gear. And rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, making this sedan ideal for both city commuting and weekend getaways. Fuel efficiency is competitive for the class, and the 3 Series maintains its reputation for reliability and long-term value. The 2026 BMW 3 Series isn't just about numbers, it's about the experience. The precise steering, the smooth yet responsive acceleration, the luxurious cabin, and the advanced technology all combine to make driving feel effortless and exciting at the same time. Whether you're a driving enthusiast who enjoys spirited cornering or someone looking for a stylish, practical, and safe family car, the 3 Series manages to deliver on all fronts without compromise. In short, the 2026 BMW 3 Series is a harmonious blend of luxury, performance, and technology, continuing BMW's legacy while pushing the boundaries of what a sports sedan can be in today's world.